Moving to Singapore is one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Singapore offers an incredible blend of career opportunities, world-class infrastructure, and a high quality of life. Whether you're moving for work, education, or a fresh start, Singapore is the perfect place to build a successful future. Singapore is a thriving hub for both business and culture. It's home to a multicultural society, a stable political environment, and a strong economy. Ranked as one of the safest cities globally, Singapore boasts a healthcare system and education standards that are second to none. The country offers excellent public services, and with its low crime rate, clean streets, and a blend of modern and traditional values, it's a great place to live and work. Living in Singapore means access to a world-class lifestyle. Whether you enjoy exploring the outdoors, trying diverse cuisines, or attending cultural festivals, Singapore has something for everyone. Relocating to Singapore is a big step, but you don't have to do it alone. Baxter Shipping is here to ensure your move is smooth and stress-free. From packing your belongings with care to understanding customs regulations, we handle every detail so you can focus on your new beginning. With our experience in international shipping, we'll help you move everything from household items to important documents, with reliable tracking every step of the way. Whether you're registering your residency, opening a local bank account, or discovering your neighborhood, Singapore offers an exciting and welcoming environment for everyone. With the right planning and support, your move to Singapore can be a rewarding and life-changing experience. Baxter Shipping, making your move to Singapore seamless and stress-free.